This video will help you find Australian case law. We will cover law reports, case citations, legal abbreviations, case citators and databases, and the Law and Justice Library Subject Guide. To find case law, it helps to understand how decisions are published. Unreported judgments are the first copies of a judge's decision. They are usually posted on the court's website or AustLII. In unauthorised reports, publishers select significant cases from unreported judgments and add features like summaries, subject headings, cases cited, and legislation discussed. The text of the decision remains unchanged. Authorised reports are approved by a judge or their associate. Each superior court jurisdiction has one authorised report series. For example, the High Court of Australia's authorised law report is the Commonwealth Law Reports, abbreviated to CLR. A single case may be published in all three forms. When this happens, the different citations are called parallel citations. Always cite the authorised version where available because it is the most authoritative. A case citation provides essential details to locate a case. It typically includes the party names, the year, the volume number, the report series abbreviation, and the starting page. In case citations, report series titles are always abbreviated. There are guides available to help you understand what these abbreviations mean. RMIT students can access case law databases from the library's Law and Justice Subject Guide. RMIT Library subscribes to Lexis Plus Australia and Westlaw AU. These databases include built-in case citators, such as CaseBase in Lexis Plus Australia and KeyCite in Westlaw AU. Case citators track how a case has been treated over time, whether it's been followed, considered, distinguished, or reversed, and provide litigation history, links to relevant legislation, journal articles, commentary, and often the full text of the judgment. Westlaw AU also includes the authorised report series for all jurisdictions. AustLII provides free access to recent and historical judgments, including unreported judgments. However, it's important to check whether an authorised version of a case is available before citing it. Let's look at Westlaw AU. Select Westlaw Australia. Log in with your RMIT ID and password. Using the global search bar, you can find a case by searching for party names, citation, or keywords. In this example, we'll look for Mabo and Queensland No. 2. This is sensitive to the jurisdiction, so we could select Federal. Let's look at the Mabo case in more detail. This case has 4 parallel citations, meaning it appears in 4 different report series. The best version to use is the authorised version from the Commonwealth Law Reports. If you were referencing this case in your assessment, you would provide the CLR citation of the case. At the document level, select the version you want to use, Westlaw to see the Westlaw Digest, or CLR for the authorised headnote, including page numbers and PDF of the authorised version. Right now, we're viewing the Westlaw version, which begins with a digest or summary of the case. Westlaw's key number system lists the main legal concepts, like catchwords in a law report, with links to other cases on those points of law. You'll also see legislation considered and words and phrases judicially considered. Following that is the full text of the judgment. Use the tabs to see how the case has been treated, its history, and other cases or secondary sources that have cited it. Returning to the home screen, we can look at other ways of searching for cases. If you're not sure of the case name or citation, try searching keywords. For example, native title. Use the filters on the left-hand side of the screen to refine your results. You can also use keywords to find cases about a specific area of law, or browse Westlaw's key number system, which you can find on the home screen under Content Types. Visit RMIT Library's Law and Justice Subject Guide for more help with legal research.